Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to adjust the screen brightness by modifying the RGB values in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, here you will see a download option. Just click on it. Now you can select the first file or the second file, whichever file you want to download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click this application. Now we'll see here the various options to control the brightness. So the first one is the brightness, so you can control the brightness here simultaneously, or you can just increase or decrease the RGB values depending upon your needs. So you can see here you can change the respective RGB values. You can increase or decrease depending upon your needs, and if you want to reset it back, just click on this reset, then it will be restored back to the default one. So by using this application named as Brightness Manager, okay, you can easily adjust the screen brightness by modifying the RGB values in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.